ways, AI is revolutionizing online gaming. As technology is evolving with time, more tech companies are incorporating AI in their products. Similarly, in recent times, the global gaming industry has witnessed a huge transformation due to different factors, such as increasing competition between developers, the legalization of online betting, and most importantly, incorporation of artificial intelligence. AI has also enhanced online gaming platforms in various manners, which is why we've listed the best possible ways in which AI is being used in gaming. Non-player characters, NPCs. It's the most powerful application of AI in gaming. The NPCs are pre-programmed, their action being determined by built-in rules. However, they behave as if real players are controlling them. Gaming companies such as Seed EA utilize the power of AI-enabled NPCs. Image enhancements. It's another remarkable application of AI in gaming to improve visuals by AI upscaling, with the purpose of transforming a low-resolution image into a higher-resolution one. This enhances the gaming experience as well as enables players to enjoy improved resolutions, even on much older hardware. NVIDIA's technology is a perfect example of AI and image enhancements. Real-time analytics. Around 2.5 billion global gamers are generating approximately 50 terabytes of data every day. It's a difficult task for companies to monitor the data. This is why online gaming businesses are now introducing AI machine learning for data mining and extracting valuable insights. Demonware is an example of AI in gaming that uses real-time AI data analytics. Player sentiment analysis. It involves analyzing players' feedback, reviews, and other data to get insights about what they would prefer for game levels or opponents. Using AI sentiment analysis, game developers scrutinize this data and take action accordingly. League of Legends uses AI sentiment analysis to monitor player discussions across various platforms. Cheat detection. Cheating has always been a part of multiplayer games. It negatively impacts the player experience and spoils the overall gaming experience. Using AI has made it easier to detect whether a user is cheating or not. PUBG, one of the most popular online games, uses AI to analyze the player's patterns.